This is the BRDRC professional accessories for your Pocket 3. Let's check it out. So I've got the Pocket 3 here. I've got this cover, which is really great for the screen, and it also comes with this little attachment here, so you can just loop it around the cover and then that can dangle off to the side. Really good for protecting your cover in your bag, maybe going somewhere where there's lots of sand, the beach or something like that, and you just want to make sure that your screen doesn't get all scratched up. There's also this nice cover here, which is for the extra battery on the bottom, so a really nice silicone cover. It's great. It's got all the cutouts at the back and at the front there as well, so you're not going to lose any of those ports there. You've also got this one which goes onto this bottom bit here, just the regular one, which is awesome. And then it also comes with a wrist strap as well, so you can attach that maybe to where I attached this little strap already or anywhere else, just to make sure you've got that extra safety. Maybe you're on a boat or looking over a ledge and you want to make sure that you've got this thing nice and secure, so a wrist strap is super handy for that. Honestly, a great little accessories pack. Yeah, just to help you look after your Pocket 3 that little bit more. So highly recommend this. Go and get yourself one.